Milarepa circumambulated clockwise and Rinchen went counterwise. They met here, saying that they would each circumambulate Mount Kailash in their own fashion. These are the footprints left on the boulder where they pulled each other by the arms. They agreed to make a hut as shelter from the rain. Milarepa raised the walls. Rinchen was unable to lift the stone for the roof, but Milarepa picked it up with one hand. Saying it was too high, he pushed it down from above. Saying it was too low, he lifted it from below. The hand and footprints he left doing this can be seen here at the Cave of Miracles. Using his close robe as wings, Milarepa flew to the peak of Mount Kailash, where he saw the faces of the lineage gurus as well as Chakrasamvara and his retinue. Unable to withstand Milarepa's splendor, Rinchen fell from the sky and was caught in the rock slide on Mount Kailash's southern face. His pride and arrogance cooled. He admitted that he had been defeated in the contest of miraculous powers. This is Tiger Cave Lion Fortress, where it was prophesied that after Milarepa stayed in Sangala forest at Yomo, helping humans and non-humans, he would benefit beings and the teachings by returning to Tibet. At this mountain, Nyekhangerta, Milarepa accepted Cherawa Ngombu Dorje as a student. He made deer and dogs meditate, pacifying their anger and fear and liberating them from the suffering of the lower realms. When Cherawa Ngombu Dorje entered the gate of Dharma, he offered his deer, dog, bow and arrows to Milarepa. The bow can still be seen in Gerta. This is the southern mountain, Nyekhan Cave of Gadaya in Nepal, where the Nepalese Kokum king offered Milarepa robes of kashka fabric, arura fruit, and victory banners at the request of Tara. After Milarepa brought benefit to his Nepalese students, Rinchen and Shingonripa invited him to return to Tibet. On the way, he stayed at Left Ear Cave at Lashchemdo. Tserama came to taste him, but was unable to shake him from the samadhi within which he sat. This is the main one of all Milarepa's retreat caves, Dro Lache snow fence, which had been predicted by Marpa. This was Milarepa's primary retreat cave, the great cave of subduing the demons at Lache, where Milarepa spent a long time and was victorious over gods and ghosts in a contest of magic and obstacles. While Milarepa was practicing in Lache, a blizzard blocked the entrance to the pass, and his sponsors from Nyanan decided that he must have died. When they broke through the snow and came looking for his remains, Milarepa emanated a snow leopard and welcomed them from this boulder. At this location, Ramdang Sky Cave, when Rinchen and Dromtön had a discussion about the view and meditation, Milarepa sang a song about the points of the view, meditation, and conduct which gave them certainty. This place, Larga Longa, 9 passes 9 winds, is where non-humans made magic when Milarepa was on the way from Lachanintl, and Milarepa subdued them through magic. This is Chogor Narmanakaya Palace, where Milarepa brought Parmandrash Therama, the Dharma Lord Gampopa, and others onto the path to ripening and liberation, and where ultimately he himself dissolved his form body into the Dharma expanse. Milarepa said that although he was a yogi, many of his followers would be monastics who would perform the activity of his teachings. His teachings have been spread by Vajra holders who hold the threefold conduct of Vinaya discipline, intention of altruistic bodhicitta, and practice of the methods of the secret mantra, Mangalam.